Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by installing prerequisites, Homebrew, then the Net SDK and VS Code. Open Terminal and run Brew Update, then install .NET with Brew or the Microsoft installer. Once done, launch VS Code and create or open an empty project folder so files and extensions install in the right place. Make sure to accept any path prompts from the SDK installer. This gets you into a reproducible workspace and prevents later permission or runtime issues. You now install the Chash extension, OmniSharp, and optionally the Chash dev kit to improve IntelliSense and templates. Once installed, use Terminal inside VS Code, run .NET New Console to scaffold a sample app, then .NET Restore to fetch packages. Next, add a launch, JSON and tasks. JSON via the Run menu so VS Code can build and debug with one click. Make sure OmniSharp points to the system. Net SDK. Adjust OmniSharp path if necessary for the correct runtime. You finish by running .NET Run to verify the app starts and then set breakpoints to confirm the debugger attaches. If IntelliSense or build fails, configure OmniSharp to use the global NET runtime or a specific mono version in settings. Once adjusted, restart VS Code to reload the language server. If problems persist, open the output pane, select OmniSharp, and read the log for missing SDK paths or permission errors. Fixing those resolves most issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.